Okay, this is the last of your addition videos. This is obviously upper key stage 2, year 5 and 6, and we are adding with up to 3 decimal places, okay? Now, in order for them to have got to this stage, they will have really good understanding of place value knowledge. We will still use manipulatives and counters where necessary, okay, but then we will be moving them on to the more abstract a bit quicker. So the calculation is 2.41 add 3.65. Now, they need that underpinning knowledge. This is 2 whole ones, 4/10 and 1/100. They will do a lot of work to relate this to 4/10 and 1/100. Sorry, that's my mistake. 4/10 and 1/100. Okay, that will underpin everything they do place value wise. They will also see these in a variety of contexts. So they will see it in the context of money. They will see it in the context of measure, 2.41 kilograms, 2.41 meters. We will try and embed that into as much of their work as we can. So again, we might use a cherry model, 2.41, add 3.65, gives you something, okay? We might use a part-whole model, just like I've shown you before. 2.41, 3.65, we add them together, what do they make, okay? Then we will move them on to using the pictorial and the abstract. Now again, I know I keep saying the same thing, but if they need to use the face value counters in school, they will do. So this time I start with my ones column. I'm actually writing ones there just to make it really clear. I'm doing a really big decimal point just so the children know that these numbers are less than 1. They are less than a whole. They are fractions of numbers. These are tenths. Sometimes the children might refer to them as a small t, and these are hundredths. And again, a small h. So what have I got? 2.41, 3.65. I've got 1/100th. What does that look like? It looks like that. This is where we can really see the children's understanding of that place value knowledge. How many tenths have I got? I've got 4. 4/10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 ones. Again, ones. We know the ones. We're confident with those. 3.65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. We then start doing our addition. Now again, I know I keep saying this, it's that underpinning knowledge that 10 of these make 1 of these, 10 of these make 1 of these, 10 of these make 1 of these, and so on, okay? So, just like we were doing with the whole numbers, we're now doing it with our fractions, our decimals, fractions and decimals, same thing. How many hundredths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No need to exchange, I've got 6 hundredths. Okay, or I've got 6 in this column here. How many tenths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tenths make 1 1. So I've got nothing in this column. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So I've got 6 ones. There's my decimal point. No tenths, 6 hundredths. So 6.06. Again, it's so important that they write the 0 there. Otherwise, they might have the misconception of 6.6. Then from there, we move on to our abstract. Now our abstract is exactly the same as what we've just done, using our place value columns. So I've got my ones, my tenths, and my hundredths. 2.41 add 3.65. Again, 1/100th add 5/100th is 6/100ths. They will know their number bonds to 10. 6 add 4 makes 10. 6/10 add 4/10 makes 10 tenths. 10 tenths is 1 1. Nothing in that column. 10 tenths, 1 1. 2 ones add 3 ones, add 1 1. Now their mental math should be quick. 2 add 3, 1 is 3. 3 add 3 is 6. 6.06. And that is addition at Foundry Lane.